You want to sell video editing services, but yet you do not have any videography skills? I got you. In today's video, I'll be sharing how I promote my video editing services when I first started my job servicing agency without any videography skills. Let's get right into it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I received many questions regarding today's topic because many of you want to sell video editing service, but yet you have a lot of clients that request for filming. So how do I drop service that? Many of you know that I drop service most of my services, especially video editing services. That means I help clients to edit the videos that they send to me. There are many clients like the YouTubers whom they film the videos themselves and then send over the clip to me, and I just need to edit them. But there are also many times I lost the client because the client requests me to do the filming for them. So there are basically three ways that you can still salvage the sale. The first way is to guide the client to take the video themselves. This is only applicable if the video needed is very simple or informal, like social media videos, a product demo, or a simple product video. So nowadays, phones have very good cameras. So if you have clients that request you to do filming, you can guide your client to film themselves using their own phone, or even better if they have their own digital camera. Here are some of the guidelines that I will guide my client if they want to film the product themselves. So if I want to guide my client to film a product, for example, this is a perfume, there are a few movements that I can guide the client. The first movement is panning left to right or right to left. So you just need to pan left to right. These are all just small, slow movements, steady movements. So basically nowadays a basic handphone can actually have the basic stabilization on the cam. So one tip is that you have to advise the client to have a steady hands and just slow motion, and the video will come up very stabilized. The second movement that you can advise the client to do is to pull in. So it's something like zoom in but in a slow motion. So what you need to do is just a slow motion of zooming in. And another movement will be pull back. So it's something like zooming out but in a slow motion. The next movement that I can advise my client is to fly over movement. So you start from the top and then just slowly reveal the product. And lastly will be holding the product without showing the face. So just hold the product and probably show the product. So it's best that if you can advise your client to have a tripod, just a simple tripod, something that can make your phone stand. So this phone stand can be on a tabletop and then just look down. And then try to open up. We can show 360 degrees of the product. So this is how the video will look like after it has been edited. The second way is you drop service to a videographer. You provide your client with your own videographer. Since you are the one that hires the videographer, you can include the videographer's cost into your bill, which is into your invoice. This way you can profit from the filming because you can mark up the filming price as a fee for managing the videographer. The third way is that you be the videographer, provided that your client is in your country or your client is a local client. I myself is doing this, but I do not recommend this method if you have zero knowledge or experience in taking videos. All along, I'm a YouTuber, so I have a little experience about video taking. I didn't dare to take any videos for client before this, but because there was one time I received an inquiry from a big client and I do not want to miss out this opportunity, so I went out to learn some videography skills regarding the shoot, on how should I shoot. I learned them from YouTube, and then I bought some equipments, and that's it. I have completed the job and the client paid me in full. The thing is, I tried asking for videographer to help me in this project, but unfortunately they are quite pricey, and also they are out of my client's budget, so I went on to do the filming myself. So after accepting this one filming job, I had more that came in. So guys, there is always the first time, but trust yourself and be confident, coupled with a little of interest, and you'll be able to unlock a new skill that you can monetize. Implement any of these 3 ways and you will get the video clips that you need to edit. After you have obtained all the video clips, then you can go ahead and engage your freelancer to help you edit the video. Now please note that there are many types of video editing clients. The very common ones are the ones that they do have their own video clips and they want it to be edited. Another type of client is the type that they want to have marketing videos, and these marketing videos do not need them to film. So what you can do is to ask the freelancer to create a marketing video using copyright-free video clips, or we call it the royalty-free footages. Another type of client would be the talking head video client, whereby they film themselves talking like how I'm doing right now, and then send the clip over to you for editing as well as to do the subtitles. I hope today's video is helpful to those of you who want to promote video editing service for your job servicing business. If you have any other questions regarding job servicing business, please do leave them down in the comment section below, and I shall do a video for you just like today's video. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.